In this cybersecurity glossary video, we will talk about the red team. This term refers to teams specialized in simulating real attacks against an organization to assess its detection and response capabilities, not just finding vulnerabilities. A red team acts like an external or internal attacker, using real techniques that an advanced group might use, from social engineering and phishing to system exploitation, lateral movement, persistence, and data exfiltration. The idea is not to make noise, but to be as stealthy as possible, like a real attacker who wants to remain hidden. The difference between a traditional pen tester and a red team lies in the objective and approach. While an audit looks to explicitly identify and report vulnerabilities, a red team exercise aims to test the organization's defenses in depth, including not only technical systems, but also processes and personnel. A red team exercise usually involves several phases: reconnaissance, initial access, privilege escalation, lateral movement, persistence, and defined objectives, such as accessing critical data or taking control of a high-level account. All of this is done following rules agreed upon with the organization, known as the rules of engagement. Normally, the red team works independently from the defensive teams, known as the blue team. The blue team is responsible for monitoring, detecting, and responding to threats. The exercise aims to check if the real defenses can detect and react to a sophisticated attack. Many organizations enhance this approach with purple team exercises, where the red and blue teams collaborate to improve defensive capabilities in real time. However, in a pure red team exercise, the key is to simulate a realistic threat without prior intervention, to evaluate the system as it is. In summary, the red team represents the controlled offensive side of cybersecurity. It does not aim to audit, but to test the real defensive capabilities of an organization against modern, complex, and stealthy attacks. Their work helps discover operational weaknesses, not just technical ones, and better prepares the company for real attacks.